From walking on foot to traveling at supersonic speeds, transportation has evolved dramatically. In this video, we'll explore how transportation changed over time, shaping the modern world we live in today. 1. Early human transportation, walking and animal transport. Prehistoric era 3000 BC. In the very beginning, there were no vehicles, no paved roads, and no infrastructure, only our feet. Early humans had to rely on walking as their primary mode of transportation, covering vast distances on foot in search of food, shelter, and safety. Over time, humans discovered that they could tame animals, like horses, camels, and elephants, to help them travel farther and faster. This advancement was monumental. It meant that humans could now move beyond the limits of their own physical capabilities. 2. Water transportation. The first revolution 3000 BC to 1400 AD. Did you know the earliest boats were made by hollowing out tree trunks? Waterways quickly became essential to human transportation, providing new routes to distant lands and transforming how civilizations interacted with each other. The Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans perfected the art of sailing, and large rivers and seas became highways for trade, travel, and war. 3. The invention of wheels, land transport revolution 3500 BC to 1700 AD. The wheel was truly a game changer in human transportation. Invented around 3500 BC, the wheel revolutionized land travel, allowing humans to build carts, chariots, and eventually, vehicles that could carry heavy loads over long distances. The wheel made movement faster and more efficient, facilitating trade, military conquests, and personal travel. 4. The Age of Steam, Industrial Revolution 1700s to 1900s. The Industrial Revolution brought with it the steam engine, an invention that changed transportation forever. The steam engine powered locomotives that revolutionized rail travel, making it faster, more affordable, and more efficient. Steamships also replaced sailing vessels, enabling faster ocean crossing and trade. 5. The rise of automobiles, the 20th century 1900s, present. The 20th century saw a major breakthrough with the invention of the automobile. In 1886, Carl Benz built the first gasoline-powered car, and by 1913, Henry Ford's assembly line made cars affordable for the masses. 6. The era of airplanes, the fastest mode 1900s, present. In the early 20th century, the Wright brothers made history with their first powered flight in 1903, revolutionizing travel yet again. Airplanes quickly became the fastest mode of transportation, reducing long international journeys to mere hours. 7. The future of transportation, what's next? As we look to the future, transportation is about to change once again, but this time, it's all about speed, sustainability, and innovation. What could the next century bring? As we journey through time, one thing is clear: whether it's the speed of high-speed trains, the revolution of electric cars, or the incredible future of space travel, the world of transportation is only getting more thrilling. Where will it take us next? The future is wide open, and only time will tell. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates on the future of transportation.